Hey TikTok creators! In this video, I'll show you how to update your age on TikTok. Whether you accidentally entered the wrong date of birth during the registration process or need a correction for any reason, I can help. Let's dive into the process. Step 1. Contact TikTok customer support. 1. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device. 2. Go to your profile page by tapping your profile picture in the lower right corner. 3. Click on the three-dot menu, hamburger menu, in the upper right corner. 4. Select Settings and Privacy. Step 2. Report the problem. 1. Scroll down and select Report a Problem. 2. In the Themes section, select Account and Profile. Step 3. Request to update age. 1. In Edit Profile, select Other. 2. Tap Need More Help. 3. In the text field, explain that you want to update your date of birth. 4. Mention that you are willing to provide a valid identification card, such as a driver's license, to verify your actual date of birth. 5. Enter your message and press Send. Step 4. Wait for TikTok's response. 1. TikTok's customer support team will handle your request. 2. They may ask you to submit valid identification with your exact date of birth. 3. After verification, they will update your date of birth in your TikTok account. Wishing everyone a perfect birthday with TikTok and AnHome Tech Tips.